Have you ever tossed and turned in bed, staring at the ceiling, wishing you could just fall asleep? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the surprising benefits of sound sleep and some practical tips to help you drift off when sleeplessness strikes. Section 1. Why sound sleep matters. Sleep isn't just rest, it's recovery for the mind and body. Here's what happens when you get sound sleep. Sharper memory and focused sleep helps your brain process and store new information. Stronger body during deep sleep, your muscles repair, and your immune system strengthens. Better mood. A good night's sleep balances your emotions and reduces stress. Healthy heart and weight. Sleep keeps your blood pressure stable and metabolism balanced. So, skipping sleep is like skipping fuel for your body and mind. Section 2. Why we struggle to sleep. Sometimes, even when we want to sleep, we just can't. Common reasons include stress, too much screen time, late caffeine, irregular sleep schedules, or even overthinking. Section 3. How to get sound sleep when sleepless. Here are simple but powerful habits to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deep rest. Create a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Limit screens before bed. Switch off phones, TVs, or laptops at least 30 minutes before sleeping. Avoid stimulants. Cut down on caffeine, nicotine, or alcohol in the evening. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Relax your mind. Try deep breathing, meditation, or reading a calming book. Stay active in the day. Light exercise helps your body feel naturally ready for rest at night. If you wake up at night and can't fall back asleep, don't panic. Get up, read something calming, or stretch until you feel sleepy again. Sound sleep is the foundation of good health. By practicing these habits, you'll not only fall asleep easier but also wake up with more energy, focus, and positivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who struggles with sleep, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips.